Students, good morning to all. We are from Manual Ias Academy, New Delhi. We have branches in Hyderabad, and right now we are in Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Chittoor, and Tirupati. We are conducting Manual All India Talent and Scholarship Exam, and this examination is specially for the students who are willing to pursue civil service examination coaching along with their graduation. So, we are providing any degree plus civils coaching, including hostel facility for all. So based on the scholarship exam, students will be selected, and the students who are selected in the scholarship exam, they will be given training for civil service examination, and we do have experienced faculties from New Delhi and Hyderabad. And these batches are going to start from June 1st, 2022. So this scholarship exam, the syllabus is aptitude, reasoning, English and current affairs, where we do have questions for 50 and each question carries 2 marks, 100. So based on the total marks, we are going to select few students from Andhra and Telangana. And this examination will be started from May 10th till June 9th in various colleges across the states. So this is an opportunity for students from AP and Telangana who are willing to appear for civil service examination along with their degree program. So degree you can pursue in any college, and every day we will be having these examinations in terms of civil services. So this particular program is for the students who are right now in 12th or inter. So many students, they have doubt what after 12th. So we have designed few of the modules for the students, where you can see that this under the BA program we have history, economics and political science as a group, including English, economics, political science, history, economics and geography. And there are some other departments like BSc, BCom, BBA and BBM. So these students, maximum the students from arts background, they do have common syllabus in civil services. But other background students are also eligible, where they can parallelly prepare for civils along with their graduation. So we have options for also BTech, MBBS, Law, MTech and MSc. As you can see that many students from BTech, engineering background including medical stream and law, they are appearing for civil services since last 10 years. And after the 2011 and 13 changes in UPSC examination pattern, many students are appearing for civils and they are making that as a career. So students from the BTech background, even from the law and even from the medical stream, even these students can appear for 3 years or 4 years of graduation including civils coaching. So as you can see that this module we do have 100 vastly experienced faculties from New Delhi, and we are also providing hostel facility. And the most important thing is that students who are willing to go Delhi and for spending 4 to 5 lakh rupees in Delhi for 1 year, it will be really beneficial for the students who are residing in Andhra and Telangana. They can get the same exposure within the state, and these faculties, they are very experienced, will be coming to a college and they will be taking classes for civil services. So this is an opportunity for every student who is willing to make a career into the civil services. And under this program we do have some bureaucrats who are ex-bureaucrats who are retired from the service. They will provide you the guidance in the term of their experience, and based on that we will be conducting some prelims and mains mock papers, and including we will be guiding the students in terms of interview. So this is an opportunity for many students. Without going to Delhi for the preparation, you can prepare in your own college during the college hours, where the schedule will be given according to the regular college syllabus, where your college syllabus will not be disturbed, and parallelly you can prepare for civil service examination. So students, so this is our contact number 741643996, and our website is manualias.in, and right now we are conducting the scholarship test in Telangana and AP. So we are also conducting this exam in other parts of India, like we do have tests in Noida, Chittoor, Tirupati, Srikakulam, Ahmedabad, Bhubaneswar, Mumbai, Kolkata. But this examination will be conducted according to the timetable of the colleges. So as of now, we are located in Visakhapatnam, and students who are willing to join these services, they can call on this number or they can send WhatsApp, so that accordingly my team will coordinate you and will be taking care of the procedure. So I wish you all the best. Do well. Thank you.